In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline in Napkin AI. We'll move from a blank screen to a clean, readable timeline by logging in, writing your events as text, turning that text into a visual, exploring timeline options in the categories, and selecting a design that fits your project. First, log into Napkin AI. Open it in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace where you can create a new project or continue in an existing one. Make sure you're on a page where you can start entering content. Begin by entering your timeline in text first. This step sets the foundation for everything that follows. Type out your milestones in clear, simple lines, ideally in chronological order. Include a date and a short descriptive label for each event. Keeping each milestone on its own line helps the tool recognize and separate entries cleanly. Use consistent date formats throughout and keep labels concise so the visual doesn't become cluttered. If you have longer descriptions, put them after the label so the most important information appears first. When your text looks solid, generate a visual. Use the Generate option in the interface to let Napkin AI convert your written milestones into a timeline graphic. The tool will parse dates, detect sequence, and arrange your events automatically. If something doesn't look right, go back to your text and check for spelling issues, inconsistent dates, or items that are out of order. Small edits to the text often result in a much cleaner layout on the next generate. Next, search for timeline and categories. Look for the Categories or Templates panel and use the search field to type the word timeline. This filters the available styles so you only see layouts crafted for sequences and milestones, which saves time and ensures visual elements, like connectors, date markers, and spacing, are optimized for timelines. Finally, select the design you want. Preview a few options and choose one that matches your content density and tone. Minimal designs work well for a handful of milestones, while more structured styles help when you have many entries. Consider whether a horizontal or vertical flow best suits your space and audience, and pick colors that keep the text legible. Once selected, your timeline updates with the chosen style. And that's it. You've logged in, entered your timeline as text, generated a visual, searched the timeline category, and selected a design. Keep your entries consistent and concise for the best results, and you'll have a timeline that's both clear and engaging.